fall and watch the streets, a quiet evening glow. I see you there, umbrella shade, a moment soft and slow. Your eyes meet mine, a spark ignites, my heart begins to race. A gentle laugh, a whispered word, I'm lost inside your grace. Under the rain, our hearts collide. A first conversation we can't hide. Every drop, a story starts anew. Under the rain, I'm closer to you. The world around us fades away, just you and I remain. A fleeting touch, a brush of hands, love whispers through the rain. The fear of words begins to fade, courage starts to bloom. In every drop I feel your warmth, a spark that lights the gloom. Smile, I'd wait for you through every mile. Under the rain, our hearts collide. A first conversation we can't hide. Every drop, a story starts anew. Under the rain, I'm closer to you.